Welcome to another segment where I will explain the four headlamp system and the spot lamps relay operated. This system, starting off with the four headlamp system, this is a system whereby the regular headlamps are supplemented or augmented with an extra two headlamps. An extra two headlamps which are single filament lamps. The regular headlamps, like in this case, double filament lamps, there is one high beam and one low beam in these lamps, left and right. But in addition to the regular headlamps, we also have a high beam filament, extra high beam filament on each side. It was observed that it's very difficult to focus a single lamp so that it can shine the immediate front of the motor vehicle and the long distance. So therefore, these lamps are focused differently. The two extra lamps here that are connected to, that are included in the headlights, are focused to shine a long distance ahead, further ahead, far ahead of the motor vehicle. While the high beam filament in the regular headlamps, in the double filament lamp, is then focused to shine the immediate front of the motor vehicle to the medium distance. So this will improve road lighting. No pockets of darkness are going to be found in the road when we are using the four headlamp system. The operating principle still remains the same. Current flows from the battery to the headlamp switch, where the first stage supplies the park lights at the front, the tail lights at the rear. Then the second stage of the headlight circuit, headlight switch, will still supply the dip switch, where the driver is going to make a selection as to whether to use the high beam or the low beam. So the driver is going to switch over to low beam, switch over to high beam, depending on whether he's passing over the other road users from the opposite direction. So that's basically our four headlamp system. We have four headlamps. Of the four headlamps, we have got two double filament lamps, where we have a high beam filament and a low beam filament on the extreme end. We have a single filament lamp, which is a high beam filament. So basically, to sum it up all, we've got four high beam filaments and two low beam filaments. The spot lamps. The spot lamps are classified as auxiliary driver lamps, and these are additional lamps. Additional lamps according to the law. You elect to have them, or you may not have them. When you decide to have them, spot lamps are supposed to be switched on together with high beam. Hence, you can see on this diagram, the spot lamp relay is activated by the high beam terminal. We take the input to the relay from the high beam terminal. Then we are supposed to have an independent switch, a switch where we can switch off the spot lamps, and we are left with the regular what? With the regular headlamps. So switch over to high beam, current is supplied to the relay winding via a spot lamp switch, and when you turn the spot lamp switch, the relay passes current on to the spot lamps, and they are going to be switched on. If you don't like to switch on the spot lamps, you can switch them off at the spot lamp switch, but leaving the headlights switched on. So those are the general requirements when spot lamps are concerned. They should operate together with high beam. They should also have an independent switch, which when operated, you can switch off the spot lamps and leave the regular headlights on. Also, there is also an additional task that you may carry out when it comes to these spot lamps, which is to focus them. They can also be focused in these spot lamps. Problems relating to how these systems operate, of course, are identified through the same procedure, same standard. Generally, the layout of a given system dictates the kind of problems, the kind of faults that we are likely to face. Failure of a given system is rather connected to the layout, in a sense, in the type of components that we have. Meaning to say, for example, where the headlights are concerned, failure of the headlights could be about the switches, the headlight switch, the dip switch, the fuses, or the filaments themselves. Thank you.